If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your PlayStation account, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website. Make sure you are using the account associated with the pending transaction. Step 2. Navigate to transaction history. Go to the account settings or profile section. Look for the transaction history option, which will display all your recent purchases and pending transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Review your transaction history to locate the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Make sure it is still marked as pending. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on or select the pending transaction to view more details. This will often provide options related to the transaction, including the ability to cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. If the option to cancel is available, follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the transaction has been successfully cancelled. Once you have completed these steps, check your transaction history again to ensure the pending transaction has been removed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.